Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Hiccups occur when your diaphragm suddenly contracts involuntarily. This spasm causes air to rush in, but your vocal cords snap shut, creating the classic hic sound. Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or sudden temperature changes. Usually harmless, hiccups are your body's quirky reflex to irritation or excitement.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.